Hello and welcome to this Quest On Demand user interface demonstration. My name's Luke, and I'm going to show you the user interface for Quest On Demand. We can start with the all-encompassing dashboard. In the dashboard, it'll show you the tenants that you have, the licenses available, your cloud-only and hybrid users, as well as the same for groups. An informational widget will be displayed for each major service that On Demand offers. And within said widget, some information will be displayed that will help you determine what needs your attention now and what can wait. And as you can see on the left-hand side of the on-demand user interface, there's a convenient navigation bar. This has all sorts of features that you can capitalize on as an on-demand user, including all of the services we offer, as well as access options, services, descriptions, help, release notes, settings, and the Tenants tab. This is where you add your tenants so you can utilize our services to help manage them. The Tenants Window allows you to add as many tenants as needed, provided you have global administrator credentials to supply. And by clicking on the Go button in the widget for each tenant, you can grant the access or admin consent for each of the on-demand services to leverage that part of the tenant so we can do the work. Next is access control. An on-demand comes with a list of predefined roles with specific permissions that'll grant a specific user access to something within the product. For example, migration only or audit only, etc. You can even create your own administrative role and grant a user access to one or many specific features. And in the user section, you can easily add the email address of a specific user that you want to have an assigned role, just by typing their email and selecting the role from the drop-down list. You can also edit existing users and the roles that they have, or delete them as well. So with this, On Demand has a pretty capable role-based administration system in place. The services section will link you to various videos with their descriptions of each type of service that we offer. The Help button will take you to the user guide section of the current section of On Demand that you're in. So if you're under the migration section and hit Help, you'll be taken to the On Demand migration user guide. If you're just in the main On Demand console and select Help, you'll be brought here to the global settings user guide. So the information you see when you select Help is going to be most relevant to where you last were in the product. The release notes actually function in a similar fashion. They'll take you to the release notes for the last part of the product that you were in. So if you were under On Demand Audit, it will take you to the release notes for the latest wave of On Demand Audit. This way, the information you see will be most relevant to what you were working on. Next up is Settings. And within the Settings section, the first tab is the Activity Trail. This will allow you to download a compressed zip package of a specific date range of activity for a specific part of the on-demand product. So if you're trying to figure out who might have done something or what happened specifically, you could do this. But this is most useful when tracking down an issue and working with Quest support as well. Having logs ready when opening a support case is extremely beneficial to both parties. The Agents tab allows you to manage your group management agents. You can download and distribute your agents through here and generate the installation keys. Once you have agents configured, they'll be displayed in the left bar here underneath the Modules section. The Notifications section will allow you to send out notifications for any major events to specific email addresses. This would be especially useful, like in this scenario, for a backup failure. And you can add a user to the notification list just by typing their email and selecting Add. Subscriptions shows your entire subscription information for Quest On Demand, and it'll show you how many licenses you have for each portion of each service, as well as the amount used and the expiry date, etc. This concludes the general user interface tour of On Demand. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Quest On Demand or to access a free trial, please visit us online.